Right, so today I am going to fix a remote control. A lot of people get this problem. Um, the battery compartment's completely rusted off. Now, I know what you're thinking, oh, you get all these new connections and stuff and this, that, and the other, or you get universal remote. Okay, I tried to get universal remote for this, and I did a bad repair job on it as well before. Long story short, universal remote wasn't going to work. It just wasn't. It was a case of no matter what remote I got, it just wouldn't fit it properly. That's not right, is it? No. No. There we go. That seems to be sitting in all right. Okay. Now, that's the battery pack. We've already sorted which is negative and positive. These were the old cables I used and sellotape and crap to hold the batteries. That was just didn't work. I've already desoldered them off. So I'm just gonna stick this on to the battery pack. What I'm using to do that is this is simply just double-sided sticky tape stuff. I have already made sure that the battery compartment is facing, or the opening for it is facing down. Because, well, that would just be stupid if I didn't. Which wouldn't be the stupidest thing I did. Now. Okay, so that is going to go here. Bum bum bum. So then we get a good sort of idea of what sort of cable length we need. Gonna stick something under that just to raise it up a bit, make it easier. I'm soldering it through these holes because, well, one of the holes are available to me because I already drilled them previously. And two, it's just helping me keep straight which is which, because I know this is the negative, this is the positive. Now, let's raise that up another little bit. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm not hugely big at doing this. Now, I should mention that this is a very thin wire. Oh, there we go. We're getting there. Snip there first. Right. Should be more than enough to solder. In fact, that's probably too long. Sure. Let's sort that out now in a second. The idea is you want to leave as little as possible. You just want the bare minimum of what you need, which is probably actually here. But if I do that now, I'm just going to feck it up and... Okay, hold on. Let's get something better underneath there. There we go. So yeah, actually we got right about here. Right, let me just take this out for a second. And he drops the circuit board. Okay. There we go. That one's all stripped. Now, let's find this positive one. Okay. So let's get the circuit board in there. That one needs to be, give or take, right there. Okay. Yeah. Trying not to drop the board this time. A nasty feeling I'm after cutting this a bit short. We'll see in a minute. I have a few spares of these anyway. There we go. So that one has to go through there. This one's through here. Now, I am by no means a master solderer or anything, so we'll see how this goes. Probably should have turned the soldering iron down a bit, because I'm just having it high for desoldering. And bum 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 bum. Right, I'm going to use some of this thick ass solder that came with it. Now, there we go. Tons of solder on it. Now, let's try and do this without actually touching the solder itself. As I said, I'm really, really bad at soldering. So, yeah. Well, hey. Here we go. Clean the solder tip off. Now we can turn that off. I think they are well and truly soldered on. So yeah, that's basically it. Now, just make sure that's sitting in properly. Right. Yep, the board's not sitting in properly for some reason. There we go. Click, click, click. that's basically it. I'm sorry if that went a bit blurry for a minute. Switch on to operate, which is down here. And that should be running. I already tested it by holding the wires up to the other one. It doesn't look the prettiest coming out the bottom, I'll grant you that. If I had done the first place, I would have tried running them down under here, because there's a little gap, and move this back. It could come out the port, but it's okay. It'll work. It's saving me buying a new satellite box, and that's it. Not the most professional jobs, but you know, it's gonna work. Well, it should work, hopefully. And yeah, click like and subscribe.